This is a really nice block.
Today we're meeting up with Shay to go and check out a house that Keith bought actually sight unseen from a city auction. So hoping that it's not a total train wreck, but we'll have to see. This looks like it.
You can always tell, can't you, which one we picked?
I kind of had an idea.
I'm already seeing some interesting things.
The window's way crookeder than I remember it being in the picture.
Yeah, and the concrete on the stairs almost looks like it's melting, which I've never seen before. Like,
I would think that this house would be overpriced at $1,000, let alone $5,000. So I'm hoping that on the inside it has some redeeming qualities.
Oh man. Oh my goodness.
I'm never really shocked when we do a walkthrough of a Keith and Evan pick, but this home, oh my goodness.
This is a massive living room.
It's
bigger than I was expecting.
Could be because there's no walls, but.
What are these hiding?
Probably a very large hole.
Oh, God.
Oh, snap.
All right, don't step over there.
Okay.
I'm not sure where to walk.
Yeah.
Oh, Keith. Keith, why did you buy this? Keith,
Oh,
Did you know
Lord.
about this? I may or may not have known about some of this.
The wall is missing, or someone just chopped off the back of the house, or it fell off.
No, see, this is what happens when houses in Michigan are just ignored for decades.
Water.
The gutters fail, water starts to penetrate, and eventually the entire wall just falls away.
Wood rot, and it just collapses.
You know what's really fascinating to me? This bathroom almost looks like...
Almost looks like it's savable.
Yeah, so I actually think the wallpaper was at one time very classy.
We'll probably demo this down to the studs, too. Should we see upstairs?
Yeah.
What?
There's an upstairs.
This is a nice size bungalow. Right? I mean, this room is huge.
Yeah, this would be a great bedroom.
So this house is a total disaster, and we'll be lucky if we can bring it back to life for $60,000. Maybe that'll teach us for next time about maybe we should fully inspect the houses that we put in offers for online.
Some people like a glass of wine and a sort of, light online shopping for a blouse. Like buying houses that are completely falling apart. That may have been too much wine that night. All right. Come on.
Bathroom, as is the case with most of these older bathrooms, is basically a concrete bunker. It's like holding up the whole house, this one little bathroom.
Just so crazy how well they built these. I mean, seriously, if you were in a tornado, I mean...
It's where you'd want to be.
Definitely. We were banging on that with hammers for hours. No tornado has the power we have.
How open do you want this to be?
I want it all gone.
Completely?
Completely. I would say the main way we can fix the layout of this house is just to remove as many walls as we can. We're gonna take the wall down in the kitchen and try to open everything up to be an open floor plan. I wanna do an entire run all the way down. I wanna raise that window up and build a gigantic island in the kitchen. This gives us a really, really nice kitchen space. Kitchen/dining. The design of this house is gonna be extremely out there. This is gonna be my weird house. Very avant-garde, very high fashion, floral prints, hand painting, lots of color blocking. Anything that you can think of that is weird and crazy in design, I'm gonna try to bring into this house.
What a design.
I've always wanted to do this. Like, hold it up right there. It just looks like something from a ship on Star Wars, like some space house. The inspiration for the weird house really kind of stems from this big arched window set that we found at a thrift store. I've had them for a really long time, and I think this is pretty much the perfect place to use something weird like that. Most people would install it up where the arch is at the top, but we're gonna lay it on its side. It'll create a really cool window, I think.
It's pretty nice. It's pretty cool.
So now it's like weird and fabulous.
What? Oh my goodness. This room is a art museum. Look at this window.
You do not think it's too much?
I don't think it's too much. Maybe it's because I love it.
The whole vibe of the house is to just surprise you at every turn.
It is weird, but in a good way.
We're about to actually stain the kitchen countertop. We picked a turquoise stain on the countertop.
A turquoise stain?
I think that we should still do white, so you can be the tiebreaker.
What? I like how you can see the grain lines.
Yeah,
how it
I was
peeks
gonna
through.
say that.
It actually looks very pretty.
You don't think it's gonna scare off buyers this much?
I mean, it'll scare off some buyers.
It will scare off some. It is definitely pushing the envelope.
Okay, so far so good.
Like, why do I feel like stress as you're pulling this off?
Takes as long to pull the tape off as it did to put it on. I love it. We're only about a week away from the open house, but I still have a ton of weird accent features that I want to design. All right, Evian, let's assemble. This kitchen is going to be very avant-garde, and I want to make sure the island is top-notch too. So we're building it out to give it some curved edges and added some corrugated tin metal to really make it pop. Cool. For the living room, I have an eclectic piece of custom furniture in mind that will match the crazy color blocking. For the couch, since it's a weird house, I couldn't find anything that I liked, obviously. So we're building this like kidney bean shaped couch. Okay. The main thing is we just gotta have something that's weird because I don't want to spend all this time on this house and then the couch is like, you know, like a Queen Anne ruled arm or something. So it's finally open house day for the Weird House, and I am super excited to see some feedback from potential home buyers. There's a lot of great things going for it. We just have to make sure that we don't scare everybody off too much with the wild design.
Wow, I love these colors.
Keith and Evan painted this living room by hand.
We color blocked the entire room.
This is awesome. I really don't know where to look next because it's just so interesting. Very eccentric.
Oh, thank you.
Fun, yeah.
I take that as such a compliment. And then you have your big D window for Detroit.
That is super cool.
You will notice this house.
That's exactly what we said when we pulled up. We're like, wow, we know exactly which house we're going to. And it just feels very lively.
It wasn't before. It was dark and scary.
You guys have outdone yourselves.
Well, let's take a look at the kitchen.
This is so cute.
Thank you.
I can cook in here.
Yeah.
I love the pastel colors.
It's very uplifting.
Thank you.
It just makes you happy.
And these countertops are actually butcher block countertops, and they stained them with a turquoise stain.
How lovely.
Yeah, I'm a huge fan of this island counter. This is the perfect place where people can just all gather around.
It's a cool look, this island with like a corrugated cover.
Beautiful. You guys did an awesome job.
You can come and take a look at the bathroom.
Wow. Oh my goodness. This is lovely.
I love these neon flowers. That is so cool.
And they're hand painted, this whole wall.
Little surprise to the bathroom. Lights are gonna go out. This is gonna come up.
Oh, nice.
Oh,
Wow. Wow.
Oh,
Bubble bath, glass
my
of champagne
goodness.
in the black light in this. This is great.
Isn't that fun?
Yes, that is.
Very, very nice.
Thank you. Let's show you upstairs.
All right.
Nice.
Oh my gosh, that is so neat. Wow.
Is that a sink?
It's a tub.
It's a
Tub.
tub.
It's a half a tub.
I love the creativity.
We spent a lot of time and a lot of energy in the design on these houses to create a very unique house. And finding the right buyer for it, somebody that's into, the wilder design, would really be like my dream come true.